On building the grotto, but one stone is too big. So here we are at International Artistic Stone to get 7 inches trimmed off the bottom. We've trailered the rock about 75 miles to get it cut. And here's the gigantic saw that'll be used to cut the stone. So we now have loaded the rock back up onto the trailer. It's been cut and now it's here at the job. And there's my 7-inch piece that I needed trimmed off the bottom. So this will be the bottom of the rock and the other side's the top. So what this does is this rock just stands up like that over here on our grotto waterfall. The one big rock up there standing up is the right side pillar, and the rock we just had trimmed goes on top of this rock here, which makes the left side pillar.